AMD was trending at some point in the regular session of today, the 2nd of January 2026. It settled a gain of 4.52%. The volume that crossed the tape wasn't as high as its 50-day average. Okay, volatility is expected to increase in the coming days, but it was trending. Let's get the sentiment first of all before we dive into the technicals. Let's see what's going on with AMD and why it's buzzing. Let's see.
Advanced Micro Devices is drawing intense market attention ahead of CEO Lisa Su's highly anticipated CES 2026 keynote, where she's expected to lay out AMD's long term vision for AI and high performance computing. Investors and tech watchers are speculating that the presentation will showcase the company's expanding footprint in data center AI, custom silicon, and next generation CPUs and GPUs, reinforcing AMD's positioning as one of the few credible challengers to Nvidia in the AI accelerator space. Fueling the optimism are recent reports that Alibaba has placed a major order for AMD's MI308 accelerators. Many investors see this as validation that hyperscalers are increasingly open to diversifying away from Nvidia, especially as demand for AI compute continues to outstrip supply. The order is also being framed as proof that AMD's software ecosystem, long seen as a weakness versus Nvidia, is steadily maturing to the point where adoption friction is declining. At the same time, AMD shares climbed roughly 5.3% today, helped by bullish analyst outlooks pointing to accelerating AI driven revenue growth through 2026. Some forecasts even model a potential upside of more than 30% if AMD executes successfully in data center AI and high performance computing. Strong demand signals across cloud and enterprise workloads have only amplified that optimism. Looking further out, AMD has confirmed it will launch its Helios server racks in late 2026, each supporting up to 72 MI450 series GPUs. Oracle and OpenAI are already on board as customers, with Meta rumored to be evaluating the platform as well. If deployment ramps as expected, many in the community view Helios as a major milestone in AMD's bid to scale turnkey AI infrastructure solutions. Adding another layer of excitement are rumors that AMD plans to reveal a new, faster Ryzen lineup and potentially an entirely new generation of processors at CES 2026. Combined with a sector wide rally fueled by AI enthusiasm, AMD's stock has benefited from the renewed momentum across big tech. Still, the mood isn't unanimously bullish. Some traders point to the stock's ongoing price consolidation around key technical levels, despite heavy options volume, suggesting indecision beneath the surface. Skeptics argue that long term success in AI still hinges on AMD proving it can scale both hardware and software fast enough to meaningfully erode NVIDIA's lead. So the debate continues. Is AMD on the verge of a breakout era powered by hyperscaler wins, Helios deployments, and AI first silicon? Or will persistent competitive pressure and market expectations keep the stock chopping sideways? Either way, CES 2026 is shaping up to be a major narrative catalyst, and the community is watching closely.
Okay, so AMD is in a strong bullish trend. That is, yeah, in its underlying trend is a strongly bullish one. Okay, the stock picked up strength as of the 18th, no, as of the 19th. Yeah, so the 18th of December, and has, well, it kept that strength up till the 19th, and then from then on, from the 22nd, it was just a consolidation. You can see here that's probably what the readout was referring to there. So from the 18th to the 19th, it was two straight session of gains, and then after that, from the 22nd up to the 31st, it was just sideways movement. Then today we have the strength that has kicked in now, and the extrapolation seems to be suggesting that it may keep this strength it has picked up today up till at least, let's just say, up till the 2nd of February. That's a long time to come. There's no guarantee that that will be the case. But if anything, the extrapolation, the algos behind this extrapolation is reading some positive in the CES keynote. I mean, you can't go wrong with that. You can't. Yeah, I mean, the stock wouldn't go wrong with that. There's a good chance it will always draw. Yeah, there's a good chance that might be. The stock may draw a positive from there, from that event. But at the same time, people are buying prior to that event. They may suddenly sell the positive news. You never know if it continues, if it gains more strength up till into that day as well. It may well, when the news comes out, it may well begin to decline. So expect a pullback to happen. Expect a pullback to happen. Outside that, the projections are saying beginning from the least, we have 229.24, 241.35, 2484.83. Momentum is expected to remain flat with a slight bullish bias, but it's expected to continue to begin to weaken from the 24th, going all the way towards the 13th or the 12th of February. Okay, let's see what we have on its 4-hour chart. But before we do that, let's see what the probabilities are saying. It has a pivotal projection here of 2 3 2 2 no no 232.88. So the probability of it retesting that is yes, statistically very high, going by the with reference to its 10-day moving average. Statistically, it's higher than 50% that it can be test that price of 232.88. Yes. Let's see what we have here. The next one is next projection here. Is it okay? Well, let's see. This next projection will be two. Yeah, what do we have here? We have 247.43. The probability of it retesting that is statistically, yes, slightly less than 50%. Slightly less than 50%. So, okay, let's have a look at its 4-hour chart to see what's going on there. Here as well, it's the extrapolation is for higher prices going all the way towards the 13th of January. The 40 period moving average is equally expected to keep rising to serve as a potential support in case of any pullback. Let's see now. Let's see what we have here. You can see here, this is Monday. It is saying that by Monday, it might roll over into the pre-market session of yes, the day of the CES, Tuesday the 6th. So it's saying that yeah, the strength may continue, but by the close of Monday's trading session in and into the pre-market session of 6th, it would have cooled off. It may cool off slightly, and then maybe going into that event Tuesday the 6th, and all the way towards the next day up till midday. Yeah, it might maintain the strength, even though it looks like a pullback, but it looks like a slight correction. But at least into the next day, it's expected to hold it, and then. But all in all, it's just high prices. But interesting here, thing here, I was saying that maybe it may begin. It might cool off. There might be some profit taken by that day or during that day, but here it's saying that it might be from Monday. The profit taking might be from Monday. Then after that, towards that event, so it's. I think it's the extrapolation, the algos behind this extrapolation is reading that there might be a lot of positives there that it would not just. I mean, because we don't exactly know what's going to come out, so it's not trying to preempt. It's not trying to be too cautious. Yes, I think it's not trying to be too cautious. So projections here are saying 216.61. It's a downward projection, but there's ample room to the upside for the stock. 262.99 here as of the 10th of December. 255.52, 243.43. We could also have a look at its weekly chart to see what's going on there. On the weekly chart, okay, here it's saying that it may maintain the strength it has right now. That picked up from the 15th of December. It's saying that it might hold it up till the 20th of January. Then after that, consolidate towards the 17th of February, then cool off. So it's just saying right now it may be more of a consolidation that is expected. Yeah, it may be more of a consolidation going all the way towards the 13th of July. Here, projections are saying beginning from the list 206.52, 215.35, 259.39, 301.47, 327.48. Okay, so momentum is expected to pick up. Yeah, momentum is expected to pick up, but not to the highs it reached as of the 10th of November. So, yeah, see what you make of AMD, and thank you very much for watching this video.